This is Plant-Based Foodies with Chef Adanus, and today we are in Melbourne, Florida at Paisley's Vegan Kitchen, and I absolutely love it here. I ordered the barbecue cauliflower bites, which, if you can see this texture, are absolutely amazing. They have such a very light crunch to them, and they have a really nice vegan ranch sauce that I absolutely love. Mixing those two flavors together were like the best. I absolutely loved it. It's really good appetizer for sure. So if you're there, make sure you try it.
And mommy had that. Yeah, I can't believe it. Mommy had the yucky stuff. Yeah. She's gonna really say,
As you can see, my girls were so excited for me to eat this vegan chicken parm. They know I love it. I usually get the vegan chicken parm sandwich, but this was, I won't say even better. It was just as good. I promise you it was just as good. And this is actually from scratch. Paisley Vegan Kitchen, don't forget to say I sent you.